What is the situation for Quezon City, Mayor Joy?
In Quezon City, we did some things that we thought we could do on our own, and that included imposing a liquor ban, for example, and that is based on data, because according to our data, the number one source of transmission is households at about 40%, and then 30% is the community, and the rest is already the workplace. So using that scientific data to back up some of the decisions, we figured a liquor ban would prevent people in the community from drinking outside in public. That because we know that in the communities, tagay-tagayan sito, tsaka alas 12 pa lang nagiinuman na. So I thought that would probably help. And then in the workplace, kahit na household sabihin natin yung transmission, kasi nga we're dealing with a new variant, napakabilis ng paghahawa, but we already know that the workplace is the primary source, and we already issued guidelines about 2 to 3 weeks ago, issuing some very strict protocols in the workplace. And now, giving them some time to comply with this, I have now activated the joint inspection team, and they are supposed to be already going around the different identified workplaces where numbers are very, very high. And I've already said that if they have noticed that there is a blatant disregard for the health protocols that we have set in place in our guidelines, to already issue temporary closure orders.
Last year, we were also not letting people out. Well, now we are letting, and I'm not trying to blame anyone, Mayor, we're just trying to make sense of it. Is this because we opened the economy?
Well, Nasito, let me finish first.
Yeah,
I said
sorry.
it's household, but obviously the household contamination comes from the breadwinner or the breadwinners of the household bringing home the virus from the workplace. So I still put the culprit as the workplace, not the household, because may pinanggalingan yung sakit sa household, At maliwanag naman pati sa community, bihira kami makakita ng bigla na lang sumulpot sa community positive na hindi nanggaling sa isang workplace. Laging yung index case sa community, still may trabaho siya, hindi siya tambay at nanggaling siya sa workplace. Kaya I really identify the workplace as the primary source of the infection.
The bubble has not put a stop or restricted the movement of workers going from workplace to home. How do you then intend to solve the problem if the setup is still continuing, Mayor?
Yeah, so that's why we issued supplementary guidelines in addition to whatever the national government issues, imposing stricter health protocols within the workplace. So what are these stricter health protocols? For example, hindi sila sana kumakain together, in the pantry or in the workplace canteen. Sana you just eat in your desk and not with other people, because you have to identify kasi circumstances where people take off their masks and are unprotected, and therefore at great risk to other people. And one is when you eat. So yan, dapat pagbawal yan. Pinagbawal namin yan. Pangalawa is dapat sana hindi congested yung workplace. Kaya bago pa man itong lumabas ng mga restrictions na ito, nag-impose na po kami ng alternative work arrangements sa mga workplace ulit, or flexible work arrangements, or yung team A, team B style, where para ma-decongest siya. So, pangatlo, of course, yung ventilation. We encourage magbukas kayo ng bintana, wag yung aircon. At syempre yung QC Pass, napakahalaga yung contact tracing app, para pag may nag-positive dyan, madaling ibalita